Good morning, class 6. I hope you are good and please be safe and stay at home. Please don't go outside. As I have told you many times, please, it's not safe outside. So please be there where you are. Okay. So today we'll continue the same chapter, chapter number 4, as I have written on the board, chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Okay, so he is also called the Iron Man of India, and Sardar is also the nickname of him. Okay, Vallabhbhai Patel का जो nickname है सरदार है, ठीक है. So you have to open page number 55 and 56 in your English textbook. So this is your book here. As you can see, it's the main course book, class 6, Roots and Wings. You should know the name of your English book. Okay. So what is the name of your English book is Roots and Wings. Okay. So we'll continue with the question and answer. Okay. Then after I will tell you the word meaning related to that chapter. But in your notebook, how you are going to do is, first of all, you are going to do the hard words related to the chapter, and then after you have to do the word meanings of that chapter, and then after you'll have to do all those questions and answers which I'm going to tell you now. All right. So that you have to complete. Before that, we have some exercise. We have some exercise related to the chapter, which is B exercise, which is on page number 57. So we'll have to do that exercise. So we will write here one more page number is 55, 56, 57. Okay. So 57. Okay. So on page number 57, tick the correct statements and cross out the wrong ones. What? Tick the correct statements. जो भी correct statements है, सही statements है, उनके लिए आपको क्या लगाना है? सही means ये लगाना है, और जो भी wrong statements बोली गई हैं, उनके लिए आपको wrong sign का use करना है. Okay? So first one is Sardar Patel was the first Prime Minister of Free India. So it's the wrong statement. No, he was not the first Prime Minister of India. He was the first Home Minister of India. Okay. So that is wrong. First one is wrong. Then second one is Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister of India. Yes, he was the first Home Minister of India. So you have to write tick mark. Okay. You have to tick mark that second sentence. Okay. Next one is Patel belonged to a Sikh family and so people called him Sardar. कि जो पटेल थे वो एक सिख फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे, इसकी वजह से लोग उन्हें सरदार बोलते थे. तो नो, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था कि जो पटेल थे वो एक सिख फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे, वो तो गुजराती फैमिली से थे. ठीक है. So this is again third is also wrong. Okay. Next one is Sardar was the forename Patel got from the people of Gujarat for his ability to lead from the front in various agitations he led against the British. So yes, it's the correct. Means जो सरदार थे उनका फोरनेम था, मीन्स मैंने आपको बताया निकनेम था. नेम से पहले सरदार उनको गुजरात के लोगों ने दिया था क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे उनकी योग्यता के लिए, क्योंकि उनमें योग्यता थी फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, एकदम सामने आकर लड़ने की. ठीक है. तो वो ब्रिटिशर्स से भी उनके अगेंस्ट लड़े थे, इसीलिए उनको ये नाम सरदार दिया गया था. ठीक है. तो दिस वन इज द राइट वन. Next one, Sardar Patel started his career as a lawyer. So yes, he started his career as a lawyer. So it's the right one. Next one is Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women. Yes, he supported the empowerment of women. So this one is also the correct one. Next one is Sardar Patel was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990. So yes, he was awarded the award posthumously, but in 1991, not in 1990. Okay. 1990 में उनको ये अवार्ड नहीं दिया गया था, उनको ये अवार्ड 1991 में दिया गया था. ठीक है. So this one is the रॉन्ग वन। पोस्टह्यूमसली दिया गया था, आफ्टर हिज डेथ दिया गया था, लेकिन 1991 में दिया गया था, ना कि 1919। ठीक है, so this statement is wrong. Okay, so move on to the question and answer. What are the other A exercise we are doing? So first question is, what are the other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known? As I have written on the board, Sardar and the Iron Man of India were the two names which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known. Okay, so what you are going to write is or you can write the other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known are, first one is Sardar and second one is Iron Man of India. Okay, so that you are going to write. One more time I will repeat this answer. What are the other two nicknames? कि जो दूसरे दो nicknames थे जो सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को पॉपुलरली मतलब वो जाने जाते हैं उन दो नामों से, तो वो कौन कौन से थे? So what you have to write is Sardar, and you can add them in at first also. So you can write Sardar and the Iron Man of India are the other two nicknames by which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel popularly known. Alright, so this is the answer of your question number 1. Next one is, why was Vallabhbhai Patel called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि जो वल्लभ भाई पटेल थे, क्यों उनको सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल बोला गया? ठीक है, क्यों उनको बोला गया था सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल? कि अभी आपने सुना भी होगा, उनको कोई भी वल्लभ भाई पटेल नहीं बोलता है, उनके नाम के आगे हमेशा सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल भी यूज। ओके, तो क्यों उनको सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल बोला जाता है वल्लभ भाई पटेल की जगह पर? तो क्यों बोला जाता है, मैंने जस्ट आपको एक्सप्लेन किया कि क्यों बोला जाता है। सरदार वाज द forename Patel got from the people of Gujarat for his ability to lead from the front in various agitations he led against the British. You can get the answer of this question from your B exercise, and fourth sentence, if you can see in the wrong and right column. Sardar was the forename Patel got from the people of Gujarat for his ability. On page number 57 itself, fourth sentence. So I'll repeat. Sardar was the forename Patel got from the people of Gujarat for his ability to lead from the front in various agitations he led against the British. Okay, so this would be the answer of question number 2. All right. Now, how many states did Sardar Patel successfully persuade to be a part of Indian Republic? कि कितने स्टेट्स को उन्होंने इंडिया में शामिल कर लिया था, कितने स्टेट्स को वो राजी कर पाए थे इंडियन रिपब्लिक में शामिल होने के लिए? तो हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स देवर 565 स्टेट्स. So how many states? So how you are going to write this answer is 565 states. No, Sardar Patel successfully persuaded 565 states to be a part of the Indian Republic. Okay, how you are going to write is, just you have to write from your question only, but where you have to add 565 states, that I will tell you. Just look at your question number 3. How many states did Sardar Patel? So how you are going to write is, Sardar Patel successfully persuaded. Persuaded means you have to just add D in that. So the Sardar Patel successfully persuaded 565 states to be a part of the Indian Republic. All right. So this would be the answer of your question number 3. All right. Move on to the next question. Which states of India did initially refuse to be a part of the Indian Republic? कि वो कौन कौन से स्टेट थे जिन्होंने इनिशियली मना कर दिया था. इनिशियली मतलब जब स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने ये काम करना शुरू किया था सभी स्टेट्स को इंडियन रिपब्लिक में मर्ज करने का, उस टाइम पर इनिशियली कौन से 3 स्टेट्स थे जिन्होंने मना कर दिया था. दोज वर 3 स्टेट्स. ओके, so first one is Junagadh, second one is Hyderabad, and third one is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh, and third one is Hyderabad were the states of India initially refused to be a part of the Indian Republic. That rest of the answer from your question itself. Okay, so move on to the, once again I'll repeat the answer. Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh, and Hyderabad were the 3 states initially refused to be a part of the Indian Republic. All right. So move on to the next question. When was Sardar Patel arrested and why? When was Sardar Patel arrested and why? कि जो सरदार पटेल थे वो कब अरेस्ट हुए थे, कब उन्होंने उनको पुलिस ने पकड़ा था, जेल में डाला था और क्यों अरेस्ट हुए थे. ओके, so that answer you are going to write is Sardar Patel was arrested in August 1942. What? Sardar Patel was arrested in answer number 5. Sardar Patel was arrested in August 1942. All right, 1942. And why also a question is there कि क्यों अरेस्ट हुए थे. So because in August 1942, because he influenced the large crowd because he influenced the large crowd that had assembled to take part in the civil disobedience, that had assembled to take part in the civil disobedience movement. Okay, so civil disobedience movement. All right, so this is the answer of your A exercise. All right, A exercise, answer number 5. All right, so this is the answer. क्यों उनको अरेस्ट किया गया था, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत सी लार्ज क्राउड को इन्फ्लुएंस किया था, प्रभावित किया था, जो बहुत बड़ी भीड़ थी और एक जगह जो इकट्ठे हुए थे, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट हुआ था उसमें. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए उनको अरेस्ट किया गया था. ऑलराइट, देन मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट C part. Answer the following questions. So we have completed A part. So you can write this answer from here, answer number 5. Okay, so next question is, so this is the C part I am going to tell you. Okay, so What is in this is, and how many questions are there in this, sir? Six questions are there in this also. Six questions. In A exercise, there were five questions, but in C exercise, there are six questions. So, what are first question is, why is Sardar Patel called and remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants? Now, I'm going to show you your English textbook because all the answers are there in your English textbook. All right, so let's go. Yes, class. Now I'm going to tell you the answers of these questions. This exercise. See, this exercise I already given you. So what I have told you is this question, second number question, why was वल्लभ भाई पटेल called सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल? तो मैंने इसका आंसर आपको बताया था कि टिक द बी एक्सरसाइज में ये आपका आंसर है. ठीक है, किसका आंसर है? ये आपके क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर है. सरदार वाज द फुल नेम. तो अप टू हियर यू हैव टू राइट दैट आंसर, यहाँ तक. ठीक है, सरदार वाज द फुल नेम. And these questions I have given you, this also I have given you. So next one is this exercise I'm going to give. First question is, why is Sardar Patel called and remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servant? कि सरदार पटेल को पेट्रोन सेंट ऑफ इंडिया सिविल सर्वेंट के तौर पर याद क्यों किया जाता है? ओके, so here is the answer on page number 56. Yes, here as you can see, I'll read that answer. Patel is also credited with establishing the modern All India Civil Services, and for the same is regarded as the patron saint of India's civil servants. All right, so this is your answer number 1 of the exercise. Up to here, you have to complete this answer from here to here. All right, move on to the next question. Question is, describe an incident which shows that Sardar Patel possessed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength from early age. So you have to describe. यहाँ पे क्या बताना है आपको? डिस्क्राइब करना है एक ऐसी घटना जिसमें दिखाते हैं कि जो सरदार पटेल थे वो पहले से ही काफ़ी उनको जाना जाता था मेंटली टफनेस के लिए और उनकी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ के लिए फ्रॉम वेरी अर्ली एज. ठीक है, बहुत ही जब यंग एज थी उनकी उस टाइम से ही वो काफ़ी मेंटली टफ थे और स्ट्रेंथ फिजिकली स्ट्रेंथ थी उनकी अच्छी खासी. ठीक है, तो आपको वो इंसिडेंट डिस्क्राइब करना है. सो व्हाट you have to open page number 55 for that answer. Okay, here as you can see, Vallabhbhai Patel, Vallabhbhai displayed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength. Once he had a boil in his armpit, and during those days in his village, the people usually went to a man who used to heat an iron rod and put it on the boil to treat it. When young Patel went to him, he was reluctant to treat him, but Patel did not wait for the man and himself placed the hot iron rod on his boil. So this is the answer of your question 2. All right, C exercise. Now move on to the next. Yes, next question is, what is the major contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to India's freedom? इंडिया को फ्री कराने में, आज़ाद कराने में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का क्या योगदान था? मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या था? Okay, so that answer I'll show you on page number 56. All right. So here you can see Sardar Patel actively participated in the Gandhi-led Quit India movement, and यहाँ तक आप लिखोगे. उसके बाद आप लिखोगे सरदार पटेल की जगह आप लिखोगे he influenced the large crowd that had assembled to take part in the civil disobedience, which included the shutdown of all civil services and refusal to pay taxes. So he was arrested in this agitation also. Okay. this is the answer. Then after you'll have to move, देन आफ्टर मतलब इसके बाद आप लिखोगे ये यहाँ से थोड़ा सा और है, आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे he successfully persuaded, he successfully and after that you will write and then you will write he successfully persuaded 565 states to merge into India. Okay, so that will be the answer of your question number 3, C exercise. Okay, ये C exercise का part है. Alright, now move on to the next question. Name some of the causes that Sardar Patel fought for or supported for the betterment of society. कि आपको कुछ causes कारण बताने हैं कि जो सरदार पटेल ने लड़ाई लड़ी, सपोर्ट किए betterment of society के लिए, मतलब सोसाइटी के भले के लिए. तो वो कौन कौन से कारण थे जिसके लिए वो लड़े. ठीक है, so what were those causes? So that answer will be on page number 56. Yes, this is the answer of your question number 4. Some of the causes. So from here you will write Sardar Patel supported the empowerment of women and worked for abolishing alcoholism, untouchability, and caste discrimination from society. Okay, so this would be the answer of your question number 4 from Sardar Patel here to society. All right, and this is your C part. Okay, remember that. That is your C part. A part के question answer मैंने आपको dictate किए थे सारे. So please don't get confused in that. Okay. So move on to the next question. Yes, next question is how and when did Sardar Patel pass away? कि कब और कैसे सरदार पटेल pass away means उनकी डेथ हो गई. ठीक है, किस तरीके से वो मर गए और कैसे और कब. ठीक है, so that you have to answer, which is on page number 56 and on page number 57. On both pages you have to write that answer. So move on to that page number 56 at first. So here, as you can see on page number 56, last para, Patel's health started declining in summer of 1950. It gradually worsened. Up to here, you have to write this answer number 5C. Then after, what you are going to write, you have to move on the other page, means on page number 57, just top of the page. Here, as you can see, I have tick that answer here. Then after you will write worsened, and Sardar Patel breathed his last on 15th December 1950 after a massive heart attack. Okay, so this would be the answer of your question number 5. All right. Now move on to the next question. So here is the question: what award was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel conferred upon after his death and when? कि कौन सा अवार्ड सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को उनकी डेथ के बाद मिला था और कब मिला था. ठीक है, so that you have to write is what will be the answer. I'll show you, which is on the same page number 57. Is just top of the page and last para of the chapter. All right, so move on to that. As you can see, Sardar Patel was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1991. All right, so this would be the answer of your question number 6 here. So I have given you all these 3 exercises today. This exercise I have dictated, and B exercise I have given you. This one is the wrong one, this one is the correct one, this one is the wrong one, and this one is the correct one. This one is also the correct one, and this one is also the correct one, and this one is wrong. Okay, so and this exercise also I have given you. So that is for today, and if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me on class WhatsApp group, that I will reply. And thank you for today, and see you tomorrow.